Hey, what's up YouTube? You're watching Ready Set Drone, and I just wanted to make a short video today to tell you just how excited I have been for the last 2 weeks since I got the DJI FPV goggles, the whole digital system, as well as the Rocket, the GepRC Rocket with the DJI Air system, camera, and ability to talk to the remote built into it. This has really changed my FPV life. Okay, so it is my third day in a row to come out and fly pretty early in the morning before it gets too hot. Still got a little bit of shade here, so let's get set up and do it. So I've flown all of these packs. These are all dead actually, every morning. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 packs a day. Sounds like a really bad habit, but it's a great habit. It's made my flying so much better. There's these 2 obstacles on the field that I'm flying on that I call the Red Devils. They're some sort of torture device for football players. They're made of metal, they're painted red. I've got red chips all over, paint chips all over this drone because I've crashed into it so many times. But it's just kept on going. This little guy, just so well built and so much fun and so agile, and just it's like the perfect size for me too. I don't feel like it's anything that really requires a huge amount of space, and flying it with a 4S for me is perfect. I know there's a lot of people that want to fly bigger batteries and fly a lot faster, but for me, just getting better and being able to hit gaps and hit smaller gaps and get more confident is what this is all about. And right now, the vision that I get, the clarity, the picture that I get out of the DJI goggles, as well as the familiarity with the remote. And this remote actually is all set up in beta flight. So I plugged this thing in and I was able to assign these switches to do different things. So I've got one that arms it. I've got one that's a beeper for when I can't find it in the field, I can turn the beeper on. I've got one for turtle mode, which I have yet to really make work yet. Every time I flipped over, it's been in a weird position. So I have to go get it. And then I have one for my different flight rates. So I've been flying in acro a lot more confident with that, starting to realize why people do it, because you do have so much more control. And all of that really is because I'm having more fun and I'm having more confidence flying with this setup. looking for a great way to get into FPV, I recommend starting with something small like a tiny whoop, and then when you're ready to graduate to outdoors, this is a great way to go, the GepRC Rocket. There's the Rocket Plus and the Rocket Lite. I have the Rocket Plus. The only real difference is, well, two big differences. Number one, the Rocket Plus has onboard recording, so you can get 1080 recording straight in here. With the Rocket Lite, you can only record in the goggles, and then the weight of the Rocket Plus is about 20 more grams. This one's 148, and the Rocket Lite is 128 grams without a battery. And then you can run a whole bunch of different batteries on this thing. You've got, I don't even know what brand this is, Storm brand, it's a 4S. As long as they're 4S and have a XT30 connector, you've got your Tattoo here. That's actually a pretty good one. I like that battery. Beta FPV. This is not a bad battery, but it's only 450 milliamp hours, which means you don't get a whole lot of flight time out of it. The flight time out of all of these is not, not what you're used to with a bigger drone, but 3 or 4 minutes, and you kind of need a break afterward, or at least I do. All right, best day of FPV I've ever had. I need more batteries. I hope you see how excited I am about this, and if you're into it, comment down below and check out Ready Set Drone, and definitely I'm going to try and do a full proper review of all this sometime soon, but for now I just kind of wanted to get the word out about how excited I am. So take care, we'll see you next time. Hopefully we'll see you at Ken Herron's meetup, as well as at Spin Up, and maybe even at Spin Down in Dillon, Colorado. I'm definitely bringing this guy to fly in Dillon at Spin Down. Take care, we'll see you next time, fly safe.